Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So the dollar CAD has definitely been drifting down for a while now, but it still doesn't really have any significant break of structure. The move down looks very corrective. I still think at some point it is going to go up to at least a 50 or possibly even the 61% Fibonacci retracement from the whole move down. So overall, I am definitely still bullish on the higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame until we get a break of structure up, which we do not have yet. If you are trading the shorter time frames like the 1 hour and below, I would be recommending shorts right now. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. This move up has not broken structure. This move up could just end up being a pullback to this last move down. So if it makes any sort of a three-wave move up to any one of these Fibonacci levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short for short time frame traders. On the other hand, if it eventually does break structure to the upside, then I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.